What would happen if you hold a plank for 5 minutes every single day for 30 days? Will you get six-pack abs? Will it burn belly fat? Or is it just a waste of time? Let's find out. Knee Week 1 Reality Check. The first few days are brutal. Your abs, shake shoulders, burn. Mind wants to quit. Most beginners can't hold 5 minutes straight. It's completely normal. Better method, do 5 sets of 1 minute with 30 to 45 seconds rest. Your core muscles start adapting quickly. In Week 2, strength gains by Week 2. You notice stronger core, less shaking, better control. You also activate rectus abdominis, frontabas, transverse abdominis, deep core muscle, obliques, shoulders, and glutes. Your plank time starts feeling easier. In Week 3, visible changes? Now here's the truth. Planks strengthen muscles, but they don't directly burn belly fat. Fat loss depends on diet, total calories, full body training. However, while your waist may look tighter because your core is stronger and posture improves. Week 4, endurance boost. At 30 days, you'll likely have stronger abs, better posture, less lower back discomfort, improved muscle endurance. But if you only do planks and nothing else, results will be limited. Common mistakes. Holding breath, focusing only on time instead of form. Correct form, straight line from head to heels. Core, tight glutes, squeeze normal breathing. Final verdict, 5 minutes plank every day for 30 days is great for core strength, good for posture, not enough for six-pack, not magic for fat loss. For better results, combine with push-ups, squats, cardio, high-protein diet. Are you ready to try the 30-day plank challenge? Comment plank if you're starting today, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more real fitness challenges.